Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 12th April 2024. The day is Friday. I am a Dukascopy's trading community member. I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy Bank. I'm an independent analyst, and technicals are my favorite. So I just talk about technicals. I don't talk about anything that is fundamental in nature. So in this webinar, we are going to talk about the key price levels for all the instruments that we are going to see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading. And they are the retail support and resistance levels. Now how we can use and play on with the trades around them, that I will show you. But Friday is a day when there is not much of a move, so we'll just check the levels and I think move on. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the chat. And I think when you ask questions or when you share your insights or when you share your experiences, then the webinar becomes more meaningful. So I encourage you to please share your suggestions and whatever you have to say in the chat. Before I start the session, I must also tell you that this is only for entertainment or to increase your information and knowledge. Please do not take it as a trading advice. This webinar is not a trading advice. You do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. And let me show you a written government required risk disclaimer first before we hop onto the charts. You can pause the video here to understand this and then only move on to the charts. The first things first, this is right now on your screen is the US dollar index. This is a daily chart of the US dollar index. The bias is bullish. Yesterday we closed the day almost here around 105, and today the price went higher, and higher in the sense it has reached all the way to 105.90 levels, which is the resistance for us, and the price has made an intraday high of 105.88, just short of that resistance. Okay, the volumes are good, and I think the price will come back to 105.32 in some time to test it as a fresh support. Now what is the next objective after this 105.90 is taken? Well, the fresh objective is around 107.07. so when will that come? We are not sure yet, but yes, that is yet to come. The bias is bullish in the dollar. So what is happening with the euro? Because the dollar is expanding, so euro is declining. Now the target set for the the pound is 1.2374. It has breached the level of 1.2500 today, so that will be expected to act as a resistance when the price moves up from here. Okay, so keep that in mind. We have now next target of 1.2374 in the pound. The resistance is 1.2500, although I think the bias is bearish below 1.2709. Right, talking about the euro USD has taken all the targets on the downside. 1.0656 was the target. Now anything anytime when the euro rises from here should be seen as a selling opportunity with a target of 1.0517. so euro is doing good. I think euro, we should have sold it here 1.0855. Boom, 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 boom. A lot way to go. 1.0517 on the downside is possible in the euro. Australian dollar, although it has also breached these lows here, but I think comparatively Australian dollar is stronger than the other currency pairs. 0.6443 is the support now for this, and 0.6478 may start acting as the resistance. All right, next is kiwi. Kiwi also is on the support line. I think this trend line is what will be providing support. And also notice that this is approximately the line and the horizontal line. So I think the New Zealand dollar, it will be very difficult for the New Zealand dollar to go and fall from here. So I'm expecting 0.5986 to be seen in this market very soon. I think this level should hold. This is the confluence of two supports on the daily. This is huge thing. This is not a small thing. Okay, yes, you see there is a huge support here. Expect the price to start rising from here. All right, I'm not expecting the price to fall from here. Let's see how the things unfold anyways. 0.5986 is the target. If for some reason the price breaks below this low here, then you can expect 5864 in this market. USD CHF, well, upside 0.9245 is now open. Downside 0.8996 should act as a support if the price falls from here. These are the key levels. USD CAD, the key levels I think we have discussed yesterday and that has been achieved. 1.3777 was the resistance, and today the price has made a high of 1.3776. So just taken the target, you can say, in just 2 days. That's brilliant. Now if it starts falling from here, then 1.3620 should start acting as a good support, and anything upside 1.3777 we will have a 1.3855 open in this market. USD JPY, very good market, 153.09. Although the dollar is not strong against yen today, it is in the red, but all other currencies dollar is strong. Okay, only it is against the yen it is not so strong, and I think this is because it needs some pullback towards 151.97, which has not happened. When it happens, then you will see the price rising up again. New Zealand CAD, like I said, that there is a possibility of the price falling from here to 0.8065 because of the bearish engulfing on the resistance, and that too has happened on 9th of April. So expect a downside in this market. I'm bearish on this one. The targets on the downside is 0.8065. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is also not looking so good. If this rising channel gives some support to the price, then it's fine. If it doesn't give any support and the price breaks to 66,950, then expect further losses in this one to 64,554 and maybe even to 60,880. Brent, okay, today Brent gave up after the rises. You see, this is the daily chart. It went to the higher high, but then gave up and said, okay, I am not able to control myself here. So the price has started declining from here. Now the problem is that will it fall and close the day below 90.42? If that happens, then we will see 88.75 and maybe even the lower lows 84.61 and maybe even 81.11 in this market. Okay, so it is only up to the close of 4 hour if it closes below 90.42 or not. Talking about gold, on the higher levels, gold has also met with a huge resistance around 2431 levels. Now the next level I'm looking at, it is 2303, and if that holds, fine. Not that actually. Okay, I'm sorry. It's not that. Now it is 2319. Now if 232319 holds, then it's fine. If it doesn't hold, then I'll be looking for the lower levels in this one. Nasdaq, sorry, Nikkei, we had an expectation that the price will break below 38 to 78. Let's see if that happens or not, but right now it seems like this is a bearish engulfing on the daily, and this is not very good candle, believe me. When the price is being seen on the daily chart, it is not very good candlesticks. So 38 to 78 I think is exposed in this market already. Any upside should be sold. 40 to 58 is the crucial resistance for the price, where it has a confluence of two resistances. Euro yen has broken below the previous low, although this cannot be called as a swing low. The correct swing low is 160.21, but if you consider these on the lower time frames, you will see that the swing low is broken. Now if it closes the day below, I think 162.61, then we should turn bearish on the euro yen. Right now I am not having any opinion in that. So the first one here, a GBP AUD, yesterday we saw a market structure break, retest of this, and then I said that 1.9447 will be exposed, and see what has happened today. Boom, boom. Okay, so this is the type of market structure that you want to see. 1.9447 is exposed now in this market. CHF JPY, we have a bearish tone. It's just a matter of time when it starts selling off again. Right now it is just consolidating. Audi New Zealand, I think we have discussed it. 1.0950 resistance, bearish pin bar, boom boom boom. So downside, any close below 1.0844 will open the way to 1.0570 once again. Euro CHF, okay guys, Euro CHF is also going down, although it has failed to go below and close there. If it closes below, I think 0.9694 area, then these lower levels will be exposed, but otherwise you don't have any concern in this one. US Tech, this is the index. This is also bearish today. The levels to watch. Okay, we are not watching this, right? So I'll just close it. So that's all, guys. If you have any questions, please ask me in the chat box. Otherwise, I'll just try to wrap up the session. What do you say? All right, guys, I hope you know about the crucial supports and resistances that will be of importance in the next week. So my only request to you is that, see, the trading opportunities come every day. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, how you can achieve this? By position sizing. Learn how to do position sizing, and you will, I think, be very profitable in the coming future. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. I wanted to keep it short, and that is how we keep it short. Bye bye. Take care.